score facts that you should know in your 20s. Now, your credit score is a numerical report card of your credit worthiness. What does that mean exactly? That means this number details how well or how worthy you are with borrowing and paying that back. Now, while many millennials understand the importance of having credit, many millennials also understand that many financial transactions are going to require a peek at your credit score. Anywhere from looking for an apartment to rent, buying a new home, buying a new car, starting a business. Many of these financial transactions require you to have somewhat of a good or great credit score and profile. Many lending and financial institutions actually utilize the FICO scoring model, so be careful and be aware that the financial institutions that you are applying for are indeed looking at those FICO credit scores for you. Transactions can include a variety of things. If you're out there looking for rental homes or rental apartments, they are going to take a peek at your credit file and even charge you a fee for that application. If you're borrowing a home, if you're going to get a car, anything that adults are utilizing currently in their financial transactions require a peek at your credit file. Now, if your credit scores are anywhere from between 300 and 579, you are considered the poorest of the poorest, the lowest credit scores there is to be. Now, scores in this range are semi-high risk factors. You still typically will get those lower limits on approvals, and they also still require down payments or deposits with applications for rentals or down payments on car loans, etc. Scores are considered fair anywhere from 580 to 669 in credit score points. Now, good scores are considered between 670 and 739. Is that you? Scores considered good also get pre-approval offers for some of the top tier cars. Those are going to be your Amexes, your Chase Sapphires, all of those good top tier cars that we want those reward points on. You'll get those in the good score range. Scores that are typically in the good range has little to no down payment or deposit requirements with some of the best rates, APRs, interest, etc. Just remember, most good top tier credit cards require a very good credit profile. Monitor that credit. Now, scores that are considered very good are anywhere between 740 and 779. These scores typically requires no deposits at all, low or no introductory interest rates. And if this is your primary card and you are not an authorized user, you will reap the most benefit with good score, very good scores in this range. Now, the scores that are considered excellent is between 800 and 850 and typically have no issues at all gaining access to credit. Typically, they can get whatever they want, whenever they want, with scores in that excellent range. Managing your cash flows are just as important to ensure your credit score is where it needs to be in a positive credit profile. Lenders will pull your credit to gain access to your full financial profile. That way they can determine eligibility in which you either are approved or denied. Remember to like and follow for more lifestyle and credit financial tips. Invest in yourselves like no one else will.